In this video, I'm going to introduce a Telegram bot where you can earn Toncoin just by watching short videos and completing simple tasks. No complicated steps, no special skills needed, just your phone and a few minutes of your time. If you're looking for an easy way to earn Ton for free, make sure to watch this video until the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next videos about earning Toncoin and free crypto online. Let's dive in. First, use the link I've put in the comments of this video and in my Telegram channel to enter this bot. On the main page of the bot, you can see your activity history, and if you have any problems or questions, you can click on Go To connect directly with the bot admin and solve your issue. To start earning with this bot, click on Earn. On this page, in the Watch and Earn section, you can watch up to 50 short videos per day, and for each video you watch, you will earn 1,000 coins. To do this, click on Show, watch the video, then return to the bot to receive your reward. You can repeat this process to watch the remaining videos and earn more rewards. From the Partner Tasks section, you can earn coins by joining Telegram channels. Click on Visit, join the requested channel, then return to the bot. Wait a few seconds and click on Claim Reward to receive your reward. You can do the same for other channels to earn even more coins. To convert your coins into Toncoin, click on Exchange. Enter the amount of coins you want to convert in the first field, and in the second field, you will see the equivalent amount in Toncoin. Finally, click on Swap to complete the conversion. To get your referral link, click on Invite. Here, you can copy your referral link and share it with your friends. For each person you invite, you will earn 20% commission plus 10 coins. To withdraw your earnings, click on Wallet. On this page, select Toncoin as the payment method, then copy your Ton wallet address from your exchange or wallet and paste it into the field. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw in the Amount section, and finally, click on Confirm to receive your funds. The minimum withdrawal from this bot is 0.05 Toncoin. This is also the withdrawal proof from this bot, so you can be confident that this bot pays without any issues. And that's it for today's video. As you can see, this Telegram bot offers a simple way to earn TON coins by watching short videos and completing easy tasks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. I'll be sharing more legit Telegram bots and online earning methods very soon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.